You can make Pau Bhaji Masala less than 10 minutes. Let's see how to make it today. Let's see the ingredient. All you need 5 potatoes, 2 carrots, 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, quarter cup of cauliflower, ginger garlic, tomato, and half cup peas. Spices you need: jeera or cumin, half teaspoon, methi leaf, half teaspoon. I use this brand, and chili powder, half teaspoon, and Pau Bhaji Masala powder. It's going to be 1 tablespoon, and I'm using this Pau Bhaji Masala. Pepper, carrots, onion, potatoes, tomatoes, cauliflower, 1 cup of crushed tomato, ginger garlic paste, peas, and the spices is cumin, Pau Bhaji Masala, red chili powder, salt, methi leaves, butter. Today I'm going to use Insignia electric pressure cooker. It's very easy and convenient. All you need to press the saute button. 1 tablespoon oil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon butter. I'm going to add jeera, cumin, methi, dry methi leaves. It gives you good flavor. Now I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. Really good aroma after you add the ginger garlic paste. Let it cook for at least 30 seconds. Next, add the onion, chopped onion, and saute about 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Let's add all the spices, Pau Bhaji Masala and chili powder. Mix it well. Now you can add all the vegetables. Now I'm going to add crushed tomato, about 1 cup. Mix all vegetables and crushed tomato well. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Make sure all the vegetable being coated with the liquid, so you have a nice masala bhaji. I'm going to place the lid, and I'm going to put the pressure. I'm cancel the saute setting. I'm going to manual, and it should be enough for 10 minutes to complete cook all the potatoes and then vegetables. And I'll need start. Okay, now the pressure's gone. It's the setting go to the IH, and the lights go to the warm. And let me release the steam. Its steam is no more, it's gone. And let's open the cooker and check it out. Wow, it looks delicious. Let's now use the masher and just press it, mash it slowly. Let the potato and all the vegetable mash it nicely. If you like, you can mash it a little bit. Some people like bit chunky and like to see the vegetable. Now let's see how we can serve the Pav Bhaji. And this is the Pav Bhaji Masala that we did. So hot, nicely generous amount, and garnish with the chopped onion, lemon, and coriander leaves.